My name is Amit Bhatt, and I currently work as a senior hardware design engineer at Intel Corporation India. We own 101 at Girinagar BLGB 03. Felt very happy. This is our first home, first dream home, and we are very happy that we got a very good quality house and good quality people, good team. Okay, so like everybody else, right? So we started looking like nearby places, and we went through brokers and some websites. So we looked around more than 200, 300 properties. So that's how our journey started. Okay, it's through my friend. So my friend named Girish. So he had a common friend called Giriraj. So he's common friend of Sarvesh. Okay, so it's a chain of friendship. So I came to know about MD of Bhadra, and he has his own house at Girinagar. Why don't you just visit? Okay, so since you are looking for, so we just visited his house, looking for some pleasant area, right? Like Girinagar or old Bangalore, like NR Colony or South, basically. So where we have a feeling of a Bangalore. First thing is quality, so it's a top notch, so no doubts about it. Second thing I liked about Bhadra is how they maintain relations. Okay, so that made me feel very good. Unlike other builders, they consider as a family. Okay, so if I ask something and they don't devalue, so even smallest things. Okay, the day we went for a first signing, right? So we asked him, can we do it on that on special day? They made time and they made the document even in a short time. So it's like they value what the customer needs.
Customer wants.
Yes. So that made me feel very good about Bhadra, Jayanagar. So we were very convinced by the quality and the detailing. It made us choose Bhadra is the right for our first home. So we have a lot of greenery, and the people around here are very decent people. Okay, so good liking people, and most of our relatives, right? So let it be my wife's parents or my cousins, brothers, so whoever the family, right? So we stay in and around, right? And we have a lot of religious places, and it feels like a home. So that's the reason we felt Girinagar, this particular location is best for our home.
So I am currently working with Deloitte. I am also software professional. So it's been almost 8 years for me being into IT, and we started looking this house before 2 years. So from then on, this is the only house that I liked from the other houses. So first of all, the location, the area, we stay nearby currently. So that's how we thought of buying some other house in the same area itself. Quality is the first thing that I would want to highlight. That is something that stands out in Bhadra and that surprises most. This is being the first house for us, and we never been to any other our own house before, so we really have no idea how a house should be and then what and all it should has ideally when we say as a house. Was very impressed by seeing the quality, and it was exceptional, the way how it was built. And first time when we visited Bhadra, it was really nice, and the way how each small things has been considered while the construction has been done. So it was a pleasure to be here, and then that was the time when we decided wherever it is. But we have to be, one day we have to be in Bhadra. Place wherein this has been constructed, it is very nearby to the main road, and it's a residential area. So that was one of the reason why. And we are also seeing good light, air, ventilation. So this has everything.
ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಮನೆ ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಭದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಭದ್ರಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಗ ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭದ್ರಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಜನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಭದ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಮನೆಯದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರು ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇವರ ಮನೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕಿಚನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆಳಕು, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಊಹಿಸಿದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೀತಾ ಪೈ ಅಂತ. ನಾವಿರೋದು ಬಸವನಗುಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡನ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಮೇಜ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಟು ವಿತ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ height also, they have given comfortable breathing space. So I felt very happy. There's nothing to say, because once we have entered the house itself, we felt very positive energy inside this. So we will definitely recommend your construction.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಭದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೇ ತುಂಬ ಭದ್ರ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಮ್, ಕ್ವೈಟ್, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟು, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಅದು ಏನಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.